Hi, welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn photo manipulation effect in Photoshop. Let's start. File, open. This images your manipulation. Select bulb. Selection. I need to remove this part. Edit, fill. You can shift plus F5. Open the fill window. I need to remove this area. You can use fill, then go to clone tool. You select the clone tool, just pick alt and select the removal area. Select the alt, then go to pick left key in your mouse. You can remove it. Okay, this part is clear. Then go to select the background. This is underwater background. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I need to insert the underwater image in bulb. Ctrl T. You can scale. You can reduce the opacity. Then you show the begin bulb layer. You can select the layer mask. Use brush tool. Fill color black. Now you can take out the unwanted area. Fill color white, you can add. Fill color black, you can remove. This is the brush tool, quick performance. Okay, background ready. Then go to water flash. This is the water flash. This is the water flash image. You can remove the background. You can select the quick select. Select inverse. I'm select the white background only. Go to inverse. Again you can use alt. You can add the water drops. Fine. Just drag inside the image. Ctrl T. You can scale. Right click, can flip horizontal. Okay, fine. Now hide the background, the deep water background. Then select the water splash image. Go to opacity, you can reduce. Now see the bulb layer. Now select the layer mask. Select brush tool, fill color black. You can remove the unwanted area. I need to blue color in fill the full bulb. And select go to the water flash image, select the image only. Now you can drag copy of the blue. Then select the layer mask. Go to brush tool, fill color black. Now remove the unwanted area. I need to fill this area. Select, go to water flash image, select the layer image only. Now you can to copy. Again go to select the layer mask, select the brush tool. You can remove the unwanted area. Fine. You can increase the opacity. Water flash in bulb. Go to layer style, make a multiply. Enable the background, deep water background you can enable. Now you can remove the unwanted. Select the layer mask. Now go to remove, use brush tool, fill color black. Now you can to remove the unwanted area. See, water flash and deep water background both are in bulb image. Then select the fish. Then open the fish. Now select the fish layer. Just drag inside the bulb layer behind the water flash effect in the fish layer. Now you can drag Ctrl+T. Opacity 90%. Like inside the water, See, this is the water flash image. This is a water flash image. Remove the unwanted. Water flash image and underwater background inside the bulb. Now showing image, single layer on copy, Control plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Make a single layer showing image. I need to reflection purpose. Control plus T. Right click, select, flip vertical. This entire image single layer. Opacity I need to 20%. Make a edge to edge. Opacity 20% like a reflection. Select the eraser. Select the eraser tool. You can remove the unwanted area. You can remove the unwanted image. Okay, now get a clear reflection. See, then I need a one shadow. Go to brush tool, make a new layer, go to brush tool, just in big size, just one click. Can scale, align the layer. Make it. See, this is the shadows. Little smaller. Okay, fine. Then I need to one copy. Select layer, Control J, copy of layer. This is photo manipulation effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.